A circular issued at Delhi government's Govind Ballabh Pant Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research (GIPMER) on Saturday ordered nursing staff members to only communicate in Hindi or English, threatening serious action and specifically disallowing the use of Malayalam language. The order, which had been issued by the nursing superintendent, stated, "A complaint has been received regarding Malayalam language being used for communication in working places in GIPMER, whereas maximum patients and colleagues do not know this language and feel helpless, causing a lot of inconvenience. So it is directed to all nursing personnel to use only Hindi and English for communication, otherwise serious action will be taken." In the meantime, Malayali nursing officer representatives from various Delhi hospitals, including AIIMS, LNJP and GTB hospitals, formed an action committee on Saturday night, which condemned the order and decided to launch a social media campaign against it. However, the hospital on Sunday revoked the controversial order after it was widely criticized. The hospital withdrew the circular, saying that the order was issued without the administration knowing about it, reported news agency ANI. The Delhi Health Department had also issued a memo to the hospital regarding the now withdrawn circular. Congress MP from Thiruvananthapuram, Shashi Tharoor, also took to Twitter to condemn the order, stating, "It boggles the mind that in democratic India, a government institution can tell its nurses not to speak in their mother tongue to others who understand them. This is unacceptable, crude, offensive and a violation of the basic human rights of Indian citizens. A reprimand is overdue." Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had also criticized the order. "Malayalam is as Indian as any other language. Stop language discrimination," Mr. Gandhi tweeted.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.